as Russia and Ukraine continue exchanging prisoners of war. Massive drone strikes targeting each other's capitals have entered their second day, sending fresh shockwaves across the world.
On the night of the 24th, Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine, came under massive Russian drone attacks. Explosions were heard across the city, and debris from intercepted drones set a 5-story residential building on fire. Mykola Kalashnyk, Kyiv's regional governor, confirmed that 3 people were killed and at least 10 injured in the attack. According to Kyiv's military authorities, over 12 Russian drones were detected in the air, some intercepted, but new waves kept coming. Beyond Kyiv, attacks were also reported in the southern cities of Mykolaiv and Kherson. Meanwhile, Russia's capital Moscow was not spared from Ukrainian drone strikes. Russian authorities temporarily restricted flights at 4 major Moscow airports, and the Moscow mayor announced that 12 incoming drones were shot down. What's striking is that these large-scale air raids are happening alongside prisoner exchanges between the two nations, Russia and Ukraine, following an agreement reached on the 16th. In Istanbul, Turkey, have been exchanging 1,000 prisoners each, with hundreds of military personnel and civilians returned on the 23rd and 24th. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky stated that more exchanges are expected on the 25th. Yet, the battlefield remains fierce. Between the nights of the 23rd and 24th, Ukraine reported that Russia launched 14 missiles and 250 drones, resulting in at least 13 civilian deaths and 56 injuries in Kyiv, Odessa, and beyond. During the same time, Russia claimed it intercepted 94 Ukrainian drones, mainly over the Belgorod region. The horrors of war show no sign of stopping.
Even as prisoner exchanges continue, the skies remain filled with relentless airstrikes.